is beautiful.
Welcome to New Era School Lessons. You are with me, Madam Koza, biology teacher. So today we are talking more about types of plant response, which are tropism and nastic movement. So plants cannot move from one place to another, but they do respond to changes in the environment, such as light, chemicals, touch, or water. So by the end of this lesson, you must be able to define tropism. You must be able to define nastic movement and differentiate nastic movement from tropism. Now, let us look at the meaning of tropism. So, tropism is defined as the directional growth response of plant to stimulus. Or you can define tropism as the turning movement in which plants grow towards or away from a stimulus. So we have examples of tropism, which are phototropism. So there the stimulus is light, hence phototropism. Geotropism, the stimulus there is gravity. That's why we are saying geotropism. And hydrotropism, water. So from there, let us look at the meaning of nastic movement. So not every plant movement is called tropism. So other plant movements are called nastic movement. So nastic movement, it is defined as a non-directional movement of plant in response to the stimulus. So why are we saying that nastic movement is non-directional movement? So we are saying that it is non-directional movement because it does not depend on the direction of stimulus. So the good example of nastic movement, we have Mimosa pudica leaves. So if you touch Mimosa pudica leaves, it doesn't matter whether you touch it from the right, left, top, or bottom. It still folds. Here is the video of nastic movement. So the plant is Mimosa pudica. So you can see that after touching the Mimosa pudica, it folds its leaves. So that movement we cannot call it tropism. That is nastic movement. Now let us differentiate tropism and nastic movement. So tropism is the directional growth response, while nastic movement, it is non-directional movement. Tropism depends on the direction of stimulus, while nastic movement, it does not depend on the direction of stimulus. Usually, tropism is slower and it involves growth, while nastic movement can be rapid and it may be reversible. So there, the good example of reversible movement is touching of Mimosa pudica. After touching the leaves of Mimosa pudica, it folds, but after some time, it goes back to what? To the normal shape of their leaves. A quick recap, let us look at the meaning of tropism. So tropism is the directional growth response to stimulus. Nastic movement is the non-directional movement in response to a stimulus. In tropism, direction of stimulus matters. While in nastic movement, the direction of stimulus, it doesn't matter. So for you to know that you have understood the lesson, you must be able to answer the following questions. Number one, we have what is tropism. Number two, what is nastic movement? And then give one example of tropism. Give one example of nastic movement. Lastly, state one difference between tropism and nastic movement. So if you are able to answer all the questions, know that you have understood the types of plant response. Thank you.
New year of school, new era school. Everybody say new era school. Join today, reach the sky. Join today, set your dreams alight.